my car too because it's dirty as shit. That's okay. Shelby's doing something. Now I want to bring my ZL1, which is dirty too. Hey, welcome back to Nally. I got scared of the bike. I thought it was a cop or something. No, a cop. Is it? Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. No, he's a BMW biker. That is fucking weird as shit. I need to get rid of the fucking rear tires. This thing is sketch, bro. Okay, you know what? I might change them next week. I'm literally not going 100 right now. I'm going 60. before us. He was 17 when he got it.
Yeah? I had 6 cars that was 17.
You on camera, Nick. I don't believe that shit.
What, changing cars like it's fucking underwear?
Changing cars, that they don't care. Steven, get your phone. What's going on? Thank you. How you doing, guys?
Pretty good.
I was doing for this moment. Now, where is that guy right there? Nice, bro.
Look at the VRC though.
Where? Oh.
Over there. I'm fucking in love. Is that how Hui's is gonna look tonight?
Who has different types of rims, so.
Wait, he changed rims?
Yeah.
What the?
You'll get 100 points. At the first 100, it's 10% off your purchase, but we also keep your previous transactions under your phone number. So if you lose a receipt or something, yeah, I'm just gonna know.
Give it him. And he just went swinging out.
I was a little too brave.
Yeah. That's so irony because you believed in that turn.
I really did. I would turn so hard every single time. Every single time.
Man, you should have came home. Well, you could have took the Mustang. I could have took the Camaro here, man.
Go live on Facebook, so
All right, next time we just do that because you don't have it.
Yeah.
You can take whatever one 240.
There you
Yeah.
go. Thanks, Danny.
I would love that.
All right, hold up. I'm gonna come
Oh,
back.
look at that.
I'm gonna buy some shit.
Bro, you got
Y'all got a wheel cleaner? Yeah, I'm messing.
You gotta, yeah, I got some wheel cleaner because you know damn well I need
Dude,
it.
my Barimbos are fucking nasty.
Damn well I need
You
it.
see my Honda swapped Mustang. Look, I'm like alone over there.
Bro, I was holding like you parked up here.
Fuck it. I like going far away. I was gonna park in the corner, but I couldn't make it.
Bro, look what,
Oh, that looks clean when it's clean.
yeah, guess what smell this is?
As weed?
Stripper scent.
50%?
Yeah.
That's a thing?
Yeah.
How does
They changed it to signature scent, but it's the smell of stripper.
how does that smell?
I don't know, it's not out.
Bro, did you wash her today or no? Because there's a bug on your car. I'm roasting your ass. My car looks like a fucking... Do you see something different about my car?
Look at the fucking cars.
Oh, that, like Honda's?
Yeah.
That one's up there.
I became a Honda. Oh, come on. He needs to be here too.
You put 2 bigger cars on the back.
Dude, fucking
If
front.
he was doing good on the way here, they was spinning.
I spin on 305s. I don't know how you put 255s on the back.
I was testing the waters. The waters are too deep. I didn't get out. Oh, this is 500. Shut up, I fuck the Z1.
They didn't let you park up front.
Really? Your ass would have gone. I mean, you probably came like at 6, 7 o'clock. It's a monster.
Philippe didn't come?
No, I know his ass will not wake up. I mean, he can come on the way if he wants to stop by and say hi.
That's pretty cool.
Are you really trying to
The smell of strippers.
do this?
like
You
it.
just start dancing. Oh no, don't do it. You're just a wheel. He's a wheel. Yo, bro, this same spoiler, I'm gonna put Carnards. If I make it, if you want it, I can make one for you too.
Nah, I know how to make it.
Literally right here.
Yeah, all you do is put some cardboard and then just put Bondo on
No, plexiglass,
that
bro.
plexiglass in the middle.
This?
Yeah.
No, the whole thing over like that. Because you can bend it. And I should have brought my 2 chickens. I know he is. That's a shit, bro.
He pulled up whenever I was standing here. That shit.
Don't you have like the composition to like this?
Yeah, right there, look. Is that who? Right here. That's what I have, but it's in the garage. I would have brought it today. Oh my god. Copyright. Steven! Learn! Learn, bro!
It's not boosted, is it?
Dude,
It's not boosted. It's not boosted.
he's barely getting into the boost part.
It's not boosted.
Yo! Me?
Yeah.
I mean, I have 255s in the back, so I can't wide body.
It's okay. Get 315s. Just take them off the Z01, put them on the Mustang.
It's not boosted.
The PCD is not the same.
Who
I can't
cares?
Dude, they're
The hub things.
What? I told you, he believes in racing.
I bet you
I
he,
do too.
I think he can turn.
I think you could. Those are Toyos, right? No, those aren't Toyos. Are they Toyos? Yeah, those are Toyos. Because I know the fucking type pattern of fucking Toyo is fucking aggressive as shit always.
Nah.
Let's go look at my baby. Just the one that's really, really high and upgraded.
Where?
The Shelby. Steven? No.
Yeah, is that a GT?
Yeah. Up close in person. How you doing? Oh, it's a track back too. I mean, the front is.
There's a better GT 100.
Oh, okay. I just realized this is GT 500.
You just
realized.
what the?
No, I didn't know.
As soon as I came in, I was like, that's a GT 500. Should have brought the Zeal one and parked it right here. Let me call Waleed real quick and say if he can bring the Zeal one. It's really dirty though. I'm gonna get roasted.
You're gonna get roasted at a detail garage.
That's why I had to wash my car 10 minutes before. Yo, man.
Dude, have you seen the art on that?
Hey, Steven. Get one of those bad boys right there. This right here.
Yeah.
And let's swap it.
No.
You're gonna have the fun time with it.
I want him that's reliable, fast, good on gas, and safe. Everything. I want
A
everything.
Mustang.
I want everything.
Oh, you get a carbon fiber hood?
Nah.
Cool. I thought it would be a lot of fucking people. I mean, it's a little meat, so it's the first time. Why did it still put the? Is it 100K
How
car?
much air does that shit need?
A lot.
Like the whole fucking shit is air. Air.
Air. No, that's is it?
It's supposed to be open.
They're
right?
supposed to be open, right?
It's supposed to be open.
They're not.
Probably track one are open. Track one was open.
Oh yeah, the track one is all carbon fiber everywhere.
Yeah. Oh my. Those brakes are huge.
I could have used that 3 weeks ago.
Try
Pilot 4S.
17s on that. I think those are 17s. The brakes.
The rotor are 16.5. Yeah. What the hell? I don't want to touch it because that's disrespect to everybody's car. And it's black. I don't want to clean it.
I like that. The ST.
Look at baby.
There's a car seat in the back. It is a baby.
I crashed it, bro. I'm fucking sad.
Steven wants to buy another car.
I missed it so bad.
I mean, it's not focused.
You got the SUV package.
Who called what's her name?
Fucking baby.
And it's still drop, bro. You need to learn right here, Steven.
Nah, I'm not gonna drop cars.
I'm gonna drop mine probably. I'm gonna buy it drop it.
You're gonna scrape and shit now.
Hold up, where's everybody else? Are they coming lit? Is the Corolla coming in? Oh, there's it.
Right there.
Bro,
People
that
actually-
is the fastest car.
That's what he wanted.
I used to be obsessed with it.
Fanboy.
Then I got the Chevy SS.
I don't know if I need that wang.
That's not.
Look at that Jeeps.
Oh, is that a stock one?
Yo, Ford did a gay job of fucking putting how they did it. They like literally tilted it down to put it forward. That yeah, something done to it. GT. Whenever I start my car right next to it, my car sounds like a Prius. Because you can hear it in the cam.
Hey,
I'm
is
obsessed with this.
that wing stock?
Yeah,
That's how it comes?
yeah.
I think everything on this car is stock.
So everything is stock. You didn't
He
fuck
really
up.
got it.
You barely got it.
This is the one I saw at the auto show, and the one at our auto show was like way more cooler.
Yeah, that was a track back with a big wing.
Big wing.
Oh, he has a ceramic coated too, and that person did not do a good job.
See, the one at the auto show had the same wing.
No, that's a regular. That's a regular wing.
No, but look.
He has a wicker bell.
Look at the front.
Yeah, same thing.
No,
No, it's fake.
that one's fake.
Oh, fuck me.
See that blow-up valve?
That's the
Holy
soup
shit.
soup. Fuck me. I love silvers. Just something about silver Mustangs.
Where's Brandon?
Oh, R.I.P. Brandon. You see that little air?
Yeah.
I saw the fucking Pro Charge.
That little whiny noise, that's a pro charge.
Yeah, that's
Pro charge.
That is a pro charge.
That's a pro charge.
I see it.
That's why I parked like a bitch on the side.
It was like my
Yeah, I was like, I didn't do nothing. I only got 2 15s under here. Oh, I couldn't hold the grip at all if I had 2 15s.
I couldn't
Already spotted.
Who the fuck is that?
I don't know. Oh, that's it. That's her right there. Yeah, it's her.
It's who? Who's her? Oh, her.
Her.
It's a her?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know who's a his or was a her. My bad if I don't know your name. I'm a his and I'm her.
I don't know his. Okay.
Fuck. See? God damn, Steven. It makes me sad, bro.
It's not even fucking fast. It's fucking stalled.
Wait, you came with him or?
Huh?
Yeah.
No, you came with him.
It's just not a booster, nigga. It just looks
See, that's a cool setup too. Fuck the phone. I dashed. Yo, I need lug nuts too.
Hey, V6 gang. Gang, gang.
Oh, yeah, that's
I need those lug nuts.
Yo, you can pierce a cop if he's trying to chase your ass over. You're literally saying, "Yeah, nigga, not today." Oh, at least he made. Oh my God, is a Mercedes pulling up? There's a
oh,
fucking
fuck it.
Tacoma.
That nigga said, fuck it. I'm pulling up to y'all bitches. I'm pulling up to
Take
them.
my dad's car.
That's the family car.
A fast family car.
Oh man, I should have parked right here too. All right, let's do.
Oh shit, that fucking charger.
I like the chrome tips though. See the tips?
eBay tips.
Oh,
You got
bro.
the Amazon special.
At least. Is this pulled? No, one is like pulled in too much. The other one's pulled out. Or it's just the way how he crashed. Which one is? All right. Everybody's going for the V6 Mustang. Guess he's gonna do something stupid. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, he's trying to capture it, or what is he doing? I'm not gonna do shit. I got no tires.
It's fun, but scary. Alright, chill the fuck out. Good, turning the tires out.
Thing is, if you drive a car a lot, you know what the fuck it's gonna do. I'll take my wallet out. Just watch everybody sit there. What's going on with this car? Am I misfiring or what?
I hope not. Sounds cool, but I hope not.
Block is like $4,000.
What?
A new block.
That's you. You must get yourself a fucking cheap beat.
I know my car does stupid shit. So what you want to do? Hamburgers? Beef jerky? Huh?
You gotta stick with your father, bro. Oh yeah, you know what's gonna happen now.
Shit.
Is that loud? Fuck, I don't hear my...
The cops, nigga, chill with the cops.